Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a look at a couple of cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now these cases are made by TAC. I don't think I've used their cases before, but we're going to check these out. I like the way they're boxed up. We'll see what comes in them. Let's get started. Okay, now you can get these cases from the TAC website, and I'll put the link in the description for you if you can get that if you want to purchase these cases, all right? But these are the boxes that it comes in. You got not a whole lot of information on the box, but you got a pull tab there, standard case 1.0 Arctic White, and standard case 2.0 Onyx Black, all right? And hopefully these are for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. All right, now I'm going to pull this first one out. Let's put this to the side. Let's pull the tab out. Okay, so I like the way they did that. Nice and neat, nice and simple. Okay, so you got a couple of, I don't know, I'm sure what these tabs are. These might be stickers, all right, but let's put that to the side right now. Now this case is very thin. I can tell you that right now. This is very thin, and so if you're looking for something that is going to give you some scratch protection but not too bulky, this might be it. Now, this has kind of got a frosted look to it. You see, you can't see through the case, so you're not going to get any fingerprints on this. Got an opening for the camera area, and it's raised up on the back, so it's going to be protected. And you got an opening for the power button, and an opening for the volume down rocker, and the mute switch right there. And you got an opening for the charging port and your speakers right there. All right, and no branding elsewhere that I see. But we're going to go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like on that one. Okay, so you got the iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. This is a very thin case, as I said. Almost didn't seem like the thing was going to fit, but it does. Very thin, nice fit. There's no, wobbling or anything like that. So if you want a case that makes your phone feel like there's nothing on it, this is going to be the one for you. Now you're going to have some grip because it's going to take care of that slick back, and you got some grip on the side. The matte case feels good. You got an opening for the charging port right there. It's going to fit well. Speakers, and the power button works, no problem. And you got an opening right there. You can get to the mute switch right there, no problem. So very thin case. Now as far as lip protection, not much there. All right, but that's not what this case is about. This is for the person that wants this protection along with wants some scratch protection along with not having a bulky phone. All right, now this is pretty much feels like the phone itself, but without a case on it, but it is. So good protection there for scratch protection. You're probably not going to be able to throw this across the room or anything like that, but as far as scratch protection, this is going to help you out. Now I'm going to check this camera height to see what that if this slides across. So it slides across with no problem, and that means the camera is protected. So this height of the protector there is not going to catch on the camera. So it is higher than the camera lens. Okay, so you're going to be protected there. All right. Let's check out wireless charge on this case and see how it works. Okay, another great feature for these cases are that both of them are MagSafe compatible. Very thin. MagSafe compatible. You can see that right there, and it is strong. The case doesn't prevent. It does hold us this. It sticks strong enough to hold a phone without falling off. So, MagSafe compatible, and you got very thin case that feels like you don't have anything on the phone, but it feels good and offers some minimal protection. So this is the wireless charger right here. Let's put this on. So wireless charge picked up. Phone is already fully charged, but it still had an animation there. Let's stand it up and see what happens. Let me get this. Okay, so it is charging right there as well. Let's put it down. So it still picked up wireless charger as well. So I didn't think we'd have any problem there. The case is very slim, so you're going to get good, wireless charge there. No problem. Okay. Okay, this is the standard case 2.0 Onyx Black. Let's check this one out. Maybe it's the same case, it's in a different color. So I think it's the same case. This is just the black version. Now you got a MagSafe ring right here. that you can put on this, and then you have MagSafe. So you got the adhesion right there, 3M. You put it on the back, and MagSafe will work on this with this case. Okay. Just put it to the side right there. Now this case is a little different in that the back lens area is covered and is raised up, so you see that right there. So that's pretty cool. All this is covered right here, and it's just kind of smooth back, but it's matte. Got openings there for the buttons and your charging port right there, and but very thin. Okay, all of this stuff is very thin. Let's get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Now here's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's see how it works. All right, so there you go, nice and slim. You got that nice black look right there. Everything is covered up. You see all that right there with the camera. And it's going to be protected. It's raised up a little bit higher than the lens, so that's pretty cool. And you got, it's very slim, so you're not going to get any bulkiness with this. You see everything lines up on the bottom right there. Charging port, speakers, and your buttons right there. Your mute switch, the power button is open. It works well, no problem. So I like this case. I mean, if you want something just to give you good scratch protection, but no bulk, but to get some grip and protect the finish of your phone, this is great right here. Okay, so you know, for those the thin lovers, this is what you want. Okay, and I'll put the link in the description for you right there. Now we'll check out wireless charger on this one as well. Okay, here's the wireless charger right there. No problem. Wireless charger works. And I'm sure it's going to work when you stand it up. No problems, work there. Let's lay it down. So pick up wireless charge there as well, right? So no problem with wireless charging. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this MagSafe ring on it, the magnet. Now this I don't have any instructions on where to put this, but I'm gonna go ahead and use another case for a reference to make sure I'm getting this in the right spot. All right, so it's going to be about right there. So use this as a reference right there. Let's peel this off. All right, I'm just going to put this right, put it up a little bit higher. All right, so I put the ring on, let it sit for a minute, then we're going to check to see if it works. Okay, so we got the MagSafe magnet hook stuck to the back. Now we're going to see if this MagSafe charger will work. So it did stick and it is charging. You can see that right there. So the animation came. So it does work. So that's nice, and it is pretty strong. So it holds up the phone. You see that? So pretty cool. That's pretty cool by tack right there to send that ring there. So I like that. Nice case. Let's see. I hope it doesn't. Okay, so it came off without peeling off the magnet. So that's great. Okay, so that was a quick look at some cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The cases are made by TAC. It's the standard case 1 and the standard case 2. All right, the onyx color right there. And it's got the MagSafe ring that came to it. You can put on the back and stick it to the device, and it works. All right. So I think I like the cases. I like that it's very slim. I like that. So I'll be using them sometime when I'm around the house. I want to get something in my hand and get some grip, but less bulk. You can feel the phone, all aspects of the phone without being distorted. This is the case for you. Okay. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.